Dear students, in this session also we are going to see some previous year JEE problems. If A equal to one sin theta 1, the first row, minus sin theta 1 second row, minus 1 minus sin theta 1. Then for all theta belongs to three pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, determine A lies in the interval three by 2, 3. This is closed, this is open. Five by 8, 4. 1, 5 by 2. 0, 3 by 2. Determine A. One into 1 plus 1 minus or minus plus sin square theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta plus sin theta plus 1 into sin square theta plus 1. So 1 plus sin square theta 0 minus sin theta into 0 plus 1 plus sin square theta 1 plus sin theta. So 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 plus sin square as a 1 plus sin square 1 plus sin square plus 1 plus sin square 2 times 1 plus sin square theta. Theta belongs to 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. That is given. Theta 3 by 4, which implies sin theta belongs to sin 225 1 by root 2 here. For this minus 1 by 2, for this plus 1 by root 2, which implies sin theta belongs to 0 comma 1 by 2. So this is determinant A, which implies determinant A 2 into 1 plus sin squared. So if you take 0, 2, here including 0, here including 0. If we take 0, two. If we take half, 1 plus half 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2, 3. 2 comma 3. So option A is correct. Let the numbers 2 comma B comma C be in an AP and A equal to 1 1 1 2 BC 4 B squared C squared if determinant A belongs to 2 comma 16 then C lies in the interval so 2 comma 3 4 comma 6 option C 3 comma 2 plus 2 power 3 by 4 2 plus 2 power 3 by 4 comma 4 2 comma B comma C are in AP, that means 2B equal to 2 plus C or B equal to 2 plus C by 2. determinant A 1 1 1 2BC 4 B squared C squared. So BC squared minus B squared C minus 2C squared minus 1 into 2C squared minus 4C plus 1 into 2B squared minus 4B. BC into C minus B minus 2C squared plus 4C plus 2B squared minus 4B. BC into C minus B minus 2 into C squared minus B squared 4 into C minus B. BC into C minus B minus 2 into C plus B into C minus B plus 4 into C minus B. If you take C minus B in common, here we have BC minus 2 into C plus B plus 4 C minus B BC minus 2C minus 2B plus 4. C minus B, you take C in common, that is B minus 2, B minus 2. C minus B, if we take B minus 2 in common, we have C minus 2. C minus, in place of B we can write 2 plus C by 2 into C minus 2. Two C minus 2 minus C by 2 2 plus C minus 4 by 2 into C minus 2. C minus 2 by 2 C minus 2 by 2 into C minus 2. So C minus whole cubed by 4. C minus whole cubed by 4. Determinant A belongs to 2, 16, which implies C minus 2 the whole cubed by 4 belongs to 2, 16, which implies C minus whole cubed belongs to 8, 64. which implies c minus 2 belongs to two cube, here 4 cube. So c minus 2 belongs to 4. C belongs to 4, 6. So option 4 is correct. Option B is correct. Next one, let's alpha and beta be the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal 0. Then for y not equal to 0 in R, y plus 1 alpha beta alpha y plus beta 1 beta 1 y plus alpha is equal to y into y squared minus 3 y cubed minus 1 y cubed so y into y square minus 1 alpha beta roots of x square plus 1. So x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 by 2 minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2 minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 root of minus 1 equal to y. So let alpha equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, beta equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, alpha equal to omega, beta equal to omega squared. Here the complex cube roots of unity. We have results omega cubed equal to 1, 1 plus omega squared equal to 0. Omega plus omega squared equal to minus 1. We are going to apply this kind of results here. So y plus 1 omega squared omega y plus omega squared 1 omega squared 1 y plus omega. applying R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3, we get now termed as delta. Delta equal to y plus 1 plus omega plus omega squared, y plus 1 plus omega plus omega squared, y plus 1 plus omega plus omega squared, omega y plus omega squared 1 omega squared 1 y plus omega. We know that 1 plus omega square equal to 0. This is a result in cube roots of unity. So this takes 0. Why? This is 0. Why? Why? Omega y plus omega squared 1. Omega squared 1 y plus omega. Next up, you take y in common, y into 1 1 1 omega y plus omega squared 1 omega squared 1 y plus omega. Just expanding y into y plus omega squared into y plus into y cube plus omega minus 1 into y omega plus omega squared minus omega squared plus 1 into omega minus omega squared into y plus omega squared. Y into y squared plus omega y omega squared y plus omega cubed minus 1. This will be cancelled. Minus y omega plus omega minus omega squared y minus omega per 4. Y squared plus y into omega plus omega squared plus 1 minus 1. Omega cubed equal to 1. Minus y into omega plus here omega squared plus omega minus omega. So omega cubed equal to 1, omega power 4 equal to omega cubed into omega, that is omega. Plus 1 minus will be cancelled. Plus omega minus omega will be cancelled. 1 plus omega squared equal to 0. Omega plus omega squared equal to minus 1. So y into y squared plus y into minus 1 minus y into minus 1. Y squared minus y plus y that is y cube. Option C is correct. If delta 1 equal to x sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus x 1 cos theta 1 x and delta 2 equal to x minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus x 1 cos 2 theta 1 x. Then for all theta belongs to 0, pi by 2. Option A. Delta 1 plus delta 2 equal to minus 2x cubed delta 1 minus delta 2 got x into cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. Option C. Delta 1 minus delta 2 equal to minus 2x cube delta 1 plus delta 2 equal to minus 2 into x cubed plus x minus 1. So first to expand delta. Using first two I am expanding x into x square minus 1, sorry, minus x squared minus 1, then minus sin theta into minus x sin theta minus cos theta, minus sin theta into minus x sin theta minus cos theta, plus cos theta into minus sin theta plus x cos theta, cos theta into minus sin theta plus x cos theta. So x into minus x squared minus 1 plus x sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus x cos square theta. These two terms will be cancelled. So minus x squared minus x plus x into sin square plus cos squared equal to minus x cube minus x plus x into this takes 1. So equal to minus x cube. So delta 1 equal to minus x cube. So we have found delta 1 equal to minus x cube. Now we take delta 2. X minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus x 1 cos 2 theta 1 x. So x into minus x squared minus 1 minus sin 2 theta into minus x sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta into minus sin 2 theta plus minus sin 2 theta plus x cos 2 theta. X into minus x squared minus 1 plus x sin square 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta plus x cos square 2 theta. This will be cancelled. So delta 2 equal to minus x cube minus x plus x into sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta minus x cube minus x plus x into 1 minus x cube minus x plus x. That is minus x cube So delta 1 plus delta 2 minus x cubed minus x cubed, that is minus 2x cubed. Delta 1 minus delta 2 minus x cubed plus x cubed, that is 0. So option A is correct. Next, the sum of the real roots of the equation x minus x minus 1 2 minus 3x x minus 3 minus 3 2x x plus 2 equal 0. Is equal to option A 1, option B 6, option C minus 4, option D 0. X అంటే just expand minus 3x squared minus 6x, x into minus 6 minus 3x squared, 2 into minus 3x minus 6x, minus of 2x into x 2x squared minus 6x. Here minus sign, according to expansion we have minus sign here, so plus 6 into 2x plus 4 minus 2x plus 4 minus minus 3 into x minus 3x plus 9 minus 1 into 4x minus 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 plus 9x equal to 0. X into minus 3x squared minus 6x minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 6 into 2x plus 4 3x minus 9 minus 4x minus 9x minus 5x equals 0. This will be cancelled. X into minus 5x squared plus 6 into 3x plus 2x 5x4 minus 9, that is minus 5, plus 5x equal to 0. So minus 5x cube plus 30x minus 30 plus 5x equals 0. Minus 5x cube plus 35x minus 30 equals 0. Minus x cubed plus 7x minus 6 equals 0. X cubed minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. One, 0, minus 7, 6. You can use Sundari division. If you take 1, 1, 1, minus 6, 0. So x plus 1 x minus 1 is a root, so x minus is a factor, x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal 0. X plus 3 into x minus 2 equal 0. X equal to 1, x equal to minus 3, x equal to plus 2. Sum of the real roots 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is 0. So option D is correct. Let a minus 2b plus c equal to 1. F of x equal to x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 second column. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 third column. Then f of minus 50 is 501. F of minus 50 equal to minus 1. F of 50 equal to minus 501. F of 50 equal to 1. So again a minus 2b plus c equal to 1. Applying R1 implies R1 plus R3 minus 2R2. F of x equal to, you see, if you multiply, that is, if you add this 2x plus a plus b minus 2x minus 2b, 2x plus 6 minus 2x minus 6, 2x plus 4 minus 2x minus 4, x plus b, x plus c, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 2, x plus 3. So this will be cancelled. A plus c minus 2b, that is equal to 1. Here 0, here also 0. X plus b, x plus c, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 2, x plus 3. Equal to x plus 3 whole squared into x plus 4 into x plus 2, x square plus 6x plus 9 minus x square plus 6x plus 8. x square plus 6x plus 9 minus x squared minus 6x minus 8. 1. F of x equal to 1. F of 50 also 1. So option D is correct. Let A comma B comma C belongs to R. B all non-zero. And satisfy A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed equal to 2. If the matrix A ABC BCA CAB satisfies A transpose into A equal to I then the value of ABC can be minus 1 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3. So A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed equal to 2. A into A transpose equal to I. So A B C B C A C A B into ABC BCA CAB. If you multiply a squared plus b squared plus a squared b squared c squared, ab plus bc plus ca, ac plus ab plus bc, ab plus bc plus ca, b square plus c square plus a squared, bc plus ca plus ab, ac plus ab plus bc, bc plus ac plus ab, c square plus a square plus b squared. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So sum of a squared, sum of ab into sum of ab, sum of ab, sum of a squared, sum of ab, sum of ab, sum of ab, sum of a squared. So sum of a squared equal to 1. Sum of ab equal to 0. So a square plus b square plus c squared equal to 1. ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. So a square plus b square plus c squared equal to 1, ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. You take a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus ab minus bc minus ca. So a plus b plus c into, for this we have only 1, minus of ab plus bc plus ca, a plus e minus this is 0, equal to a plus b plus c root of a plus b plus c the whole squared. This is nothing but equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to, this is 1, this is ab plus bc plus a twice, that is 0. So equal to plus or minus 1. But this is equal to, so 2 minus 3abc equal to plus or minus 1. 2 minus 3abc equal to 1. 2 minus 3abc equal to minus 1. 1 equal to 3abc. 3 equal to 3 ABC. ABC equal to 1 by 3 or ABC equal to 3 or ABC equal to 1. Option 2 is correct. We will discuss more things next class. Thank you.